Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share multiple Google Forms simultaneously without wasting time sending them one by one. Whether you're working with a team, managing surveys, or collecting responses from different people at once, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Sounds useful, right? First, open your Google Drive and make sure all the Google Forms you want to share are placed inside a single folder. Once you're there, locate that folder, right-click on it, and select the Share option. This method is perfect if you want to give collaborators access to help edit or manage multiple forms at the same time, so be sure to follow along carefully. Next, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the forms with. After that, set their permission level to editor if you want them to modify the forms and view responses. You can also add a short message explaining what the forms are for, which is always helpful. Once everything looks good, click Send. And just like that, access to all forms in that folder will be shared automatically. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure all forms are already finalized before sharing, double-check permission settings, and confirm that everyone you're sharing with is using the correct Google account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary access issues later on. Now, if you're sharing forms with responders instead of collaborators, there's another easy approach. Open each Google form and click the Publish button at the top right. Go to the link icon, shorten the URL, and copy the link. Repeat this for all forms you want to share, then paste all the links into a single email, clearly labeling each one so recipients know exactly what they're filling out. Once you've completed these steps, recipients will be able to access and submit all your Google Forms without any confusion. It's also a good idea to test each link yourself before sending the email. That extra step ensures everything works smoothly and avoids last-minute problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share multiple Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?